Well, g'day viewers, Snowy here once again. Welcome to Fly's Outback Adventures, personal journey through life. And today's personal journey is I got the barbecue going, a few bits of wood under there. Just going to cook kebab. I thought I'd do it on the barbie today, so something a bit different. So anyway, here we go. We'll throw on a bit of olive oils, but how good's the scenery, eh? This is what you got to look at. Look in the background, eh? Look at that scenery. The sun's just setting. It's getting quite time it right. It's a little bit lower than I wanted, but pretty good. Right there. Throw a bit of virgin olive oil on there, that is, guys. Look at that. All pulling over the side here. Not quite 100% level, but good enough. There's that sizzling kebab, flames going everywhere. That's the important thing with this. Sore knees for this. Better. Sizzling kebab over here. Just get that nicely browned. Absolutely delightful. Very, very nice. We've got this, all the vegetables and salad and all your ingredients. Make sure they're freshly cut, and I've already prepared all that there. We've got some capsicum, lettuce, a bit of chicken for the chicken kebab, all diced, a bit of egg, tomatoes, onions. Normally I'd have cheese, but me being me out here in the bush, I bloody forgot. Now you get that. So I think so. They're just lightly sizzling. Oh, how good is that, eh? There we go. Lovely, that, just lovely. Not too much, just a little bit. And what we do, we'll get oh, that's bloody warm. Get the things that you need to fry on there done. I'm not spilling everything, which I'm currently doing, but that means it's a bit of outback stuff. What you do in the bush. Sorry if I'm not looking at the camera. I'm just grabbing a little bit of onions. Oh shit. Just put them up like that, dickhead. That's better. I don't know how the professionals do this. Is hard work when you do it in front of the camera. Normally you just swing about doing it. I'm going to try and talk to the camera, keep people interested. Oh, right there. A little bit more virgin olive oil. Just get those things happening nicely. Sizzle, sizzle. While doing that there, I'll put on a bit of the appropriate sauces. Now, obviously, use the sauce of choice. Now, me, I've used, and just bring this around. I've used garlic kebab sauce that you buy at any supermarket, along with a bit of hot chili. None of that sweet chili stuff. I like to bite back a bit. Put it on there. There it is. Wrap that round. Get the two sauces together. I'm not spilling it all over my chopping board. Guts. She'll be right. Job done. This stuff cooks pretty quickly on these plates. Oh, look at that, lovely. As cousin Rhoda would say, lovely doubly. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. First time I've done this on the barbecue. So it's a bit of an experiment. I'll either end up having a yummy kebab or I'll fuck it, I don't know. But I didn't use that F word. She'll be right. I've got that going there. Just chuck a little bit more of the old there we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Get the old egg going. Well, that's pretty much done. It doesn't take long when you're throwing on the hot plate like this. Especially when the hot plate is straight on a fire. You don't exactly have a temperature control. You probably do if you do it a lot, but I don't do it anywhere near as much as I would like to do. And we just sort of throw this one out there. Look at that. Absolutely delightful. Get the air quick flip over the side there. Get them onions ready. They'll be ready to come off in about half a heartbeat, maybe 3/4 of a heartbeat. So it'll be pretty quick. There we go, look at that. Lovely. Get the old tomatoes, line the tomatoes up there. I like to have the tomatoes in my kebabs. Bit of cracked pepper. Chuck a little bit of capsicum on there. The onions. Surprised I didn't burn myself. Pretty good for that. And obviously a bit of lettuce. Chuck that in there as well. And there, as you can see, one kebab. All I have to do is roll it. Put that over there. Tuck the bum in. I'm going to work this time. Right. Glad I'm not cooking for someone else, putting fingers everywhere that you probably shouldn't do if you're going to cook for someone else. Job done. Kebab in the bush, see you later. Perfect, the mundo. Have to do that again, that's pretty good actually. No.